When life gives you some lemons, you gotta make lemonade. Because when you come upon some troubles in your life, you don't know what to do. You just trying to survive. So you take a path that you think may take you on another ride, or you hide amongst your vices, but the prices are so high. Don't lie, you know they're so high. Don't lie to yourself. So you take a path that may be bumpy and you hate your ride, but you're getting closer to your goal, yeah. You know what's right, you see the light, but it's so far away, you can only dream about the end. You just waiting for your turn to shine. You just waiting for them to realize what they've been missing all along. So you try just a little bit harder, seems so far from your sight. Yeah, I gotta tell you, life don't give no freebies, got to live up to my goals. How you think we making it with fly kicks and clothes? Everything costs money, bills don't ever go away. Rise above the poverty that you see today. Leaders of the cheaters end up cleaning up the highways, flossing orange jumpsuits with chains around their boots. You're trying to be the coolest, but you just follow the pack, acting like an animal ready to attack. Rawr, is you playing life or is it playing you? If you tired of the strife, then you know what to do. You got to be the new movement, but it's up to you and you and you and you. You got to graduate. You gotta graduate.